Hi, my name is Matthew Alexander, and welcome to my course, AWS Big Data in Production. I'm a software engineer at Lucid Software, where my forte is creating repeatable, robust solutions to big data problems. With more than 2.5 quintillion bytes of data generated every day, it is no wonder that new techniques are introduced at such a rapid pace, not only to efficiently process increasing amounts of data, but also architectural patterns to support such large data sets. In this course, we will cover topics adjacent to big data that in turn will help you effectively practice big data in your own organization. Some of the major topics we will cover include automating architecture deployments through CloudFormation, securing your data, several supported patterns for controlling costs, and possibly most important, visualizing data with AWS QuickSight. By the end of this course, you will have a better holistic set of skills pertaining to your big data practices. I hope that you'll join me as we seek to strengthen some of the foundational principles of big data practices with the AWS Big Data in Production course at Pluralsight.